In today's video, I'm going to show you Gibson Learn to Play Guitar app review. Is it really worth it? The Gibson Learn to Play Guitar app is a legitimate and widely used interactive guitar lesson platform developed by the iconic guitar brand Gibson. It combines step-by-step lessons, real-time feedback that listens to your playing, video tutorials, a built-in tuner and metronome, and a song library you can play along with, all designed to help beginners and hobbyists improve gradually. It's interactive lessons that analyze your pitch and timing in real time, set it apart from simple video only lesson collections, and mimic the guidance you'd get from a teacher listening to your playing. Independent expert reviews and users consistently mention that the app's learning path is engaging, user friendly, and motivating, particularly for new players who want a structured approach without scheduling live lessons. Critics praise its quality videos, intuitive interface, and features like animated fretboards and jam-along tabs, and many players report noticeable improvement over weeks or months of consistent use. However, reviews aren't universally positive. Some users find the song library limited in genre, variety, and scope, and a few report occasional bugs or mic tracking issues that can misread chords or notes. The app isn't free beyond a short trial. Subscriptions typically run around $19.99 per month or $119.99 per year, with higher tiers for expanded song libraries, so value depends on how much you use it. Some players feel the subscription pricing is justified by the content and progress they make. Bottom line, if you're a beginner or intermediate guitarist who wants a structured, interactive learning path with real-time feedback, the Gibson app is definitely worth trying, especially with the free trial. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.